In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix apps effectively to enhance your website and streamline your online presence. Let's dive in and explore the Wix App Market. To start, you'll need to access your Wix editor. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the left toolbar where you'll find an option labeled Apps, identified by a puzzle piece icon. Click on this icon to reveal a variety of options, and from there, select App Market. This will open the comprehensive Wix app directory. For those who prefer shortcuts, you can also navigate directly from your Wix dashboard, then proceed to Apps, and finally choose App Market from the options provided. Once you're in the App Market, you're presented with a wide array of categories tailored to meet diverse needs. For instance, if you're running an online store, check out the Online Store and E-commerce section. If you need tools to enhance user interaction, explore Chat and Forms. For business looking to simplify event management, bookings and events might be your go-to. Meanwhile, those keen on boosting website visibility can delve into marketing and SEO, while email and automation offers tools for seamless communication. And if you have a specific tool in mind, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate apps such as Wix Chat or Instagram Feed. Once you have identified an app that suits your needs, click on it and then select Add to Site. The app will then be automatically installed and will appear either in your editor or your dashboard. It's important to note that while many of these apps are free, some may offer premium features, so be sure to review any costs involved before adding them to your site. After installation, you'll typically find a setup guide or dashboard for configuring the app. Take for example Wix Chat, where you can customize the welcome message and adjust the chat's visual elements. Wix Forms allows you to choose templates, add necessary fields, and determine where submissions are directed. If you choose Wix Bookings, you can easily define services, set pricing, and manage appointments. Each app has its own settings panel, allowing for additional customizations to ensure it fully aligns with your business needs. Now let's move on to design customization. Wix provides an intuitive visual editor to adjust app elements to fit your brand. You can change colors, fonts, borders, layouts, and even add animations or hover effects. For instance, you can select the Wix chat bubble and navigate to Settings, then Design, to integrate it seamlessly with your website's overall theme. Finally, managing all your apps is a breeze straight from the Wix dashboard. Simply head over to Apps, and there you'll see all your installed apps listed in one place. This is your control center where you can open app dashboards, adjust settings, check analytics, and choose to upgrade or uninstall apps when necessary. This central management interface is particularly handy for apps like Wix stores, automations, or analytics. By following these steps, you can leverage Wix apps to their full potential, making your website a powerful tool for engaging with your audience and managing your business efficiently.